Welcome back to our channel. Today, we have an exciting review for all you car enthusiasts out there. In this video, we'll be diving into the extraordinary world of the 2023 Cadillac Lyriq All-Wheel Drive, a luxury all-electric SUV that redefines performance in the EV revolution. With a second motor and enhanced power, Cadillac has created a vehicle that seamlessly combines raw power with the signature elegance and comfort of a Cadillac. Gone are the days when a high-performance Cadillac was solely associated with a roaring engine and a V badge. Join us as we explore the dynamic capabilities, refined aesthetics, and remarkable driving experience of the 2023 Cadillac Lyriq All-Wheel Drive. Hello, and welcome to Lyriq Media. We endeavor to keep you informed of the most recent information and breaking news about the EV Lyriq Cadillac and other upcoming EVs from the Cadillac Corporation. So, if you're a fan or owner of an electric vehicle, this channel is for you. We work as a family, listening to your suggestions in the comments area and providing all of the videos you need to stay current in the EV field. Please subscribe, like this video, and click the notification bell if you're new here to stay up to speed on our latest content. Thank you kindly. The 2023 Cadillac Lyriq All-Wheel Drive is not your average electric vehicle. With its twin-motor configuration and an impressive 500 horsepower, this SUV delivers exhilarating acceleration and remarkable performance. However, what sets it apart is its ability to balance power with a smooth and comfortable driving experience that aligns with Cadillac's legacy. Gone are the days of flashy and aggressive performance cars. The Lyriq All-Wheel Drive embraces a new era of performance where refinement meets power. Its design philosophy is rooted in capturing the essence of classic Cadillacs, offering a smooth ride, a luxurious cabin, and effortless power. The Lyriq All-Wheel Drive demonstrates that the EV revolution doesn't compromise on the qualities that have defined Cadillacs over the years. The Lyriq All-Wheel Drive is practically indistinguishable from its rear-wheel drive counterpart at first glance. However, a closer look reveals the 600E4 designation on the hatch, indicating the presence of dual motors and all-wheel drive. This intelligent configuration elevates the Lyriq's performance to new heights, boasting a combined output of 500 horsepower and 450 pound-feet of torque, a significant increase compared to the rear-wheel drive model. Thanks to its enhanced power, the Cadillac Lyriq All-Wheel Drive sprints from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 4.6 seconds and conquers the quarter mile in 12.9 seconds at 113 miles per hour. These figures showcase its spirited nature, offering an engaging and dynamic driving experience. While these performance numbers might not place it at the top of the EV universe, they provide ample energy for most drivers. The power delivery of the Lyriq All-Wheel Drive is reminiscent of classic Cadillacs, as it smoothly and gradually provides torque rather than delivering it abruptly. This approach highlights its luxurious nature, ensuring a refined and sophisticated driving experience. The quiet synthesized hum accompanying acceleration adds to the overall serenity of the cabin. Cadillac has masterfully engineered the Lyriq All-Wheel Drive's suspension to deliver a plush and composed ride. Its multi-link suspension effortlessly glides over bumps and imperfections, while maintaining stability and control. With a low center of gravity, thanks to the pancake-style 102.0 kWh Ultium battery, the Lyriq All-Wheel Drive surprises with its agility, despite its 38-38-pound weight. While the Cadillac Lyriq All-Wheel Drive excels in cruising comfort, its performance on twisty roads is more reserved. Cornering grip peaks at 0.82 grams, which is relatively modest in comparison to its direct competitors. The steering, although confident, lacks the feedback typically associated with sportier vehicles. Nevertheless, the brake system expertly blends regeneration and hydraulic action, resulting in smooth and consistent stops. A cabin of luxury and innovation, 450 words. Step inside the 2023 Cadillac Lyriq All-Wheel Drive, and you'll be enveloped in a world of opulence and cutting-edge technology. The cabin is a testament to Cadillac's commitment to creating refined and comfortable interiors. Every detail has been carefully crafted to provide an indulgent experience for both the driver and passengers. The Lyriq All-Wheel Drive's interior offers a hushed and serene environment, akin to an isolation tank, with only 63 decibels of interior sound at 70 miles per hour. This exceptional sound insulation ensures that the outside world remains where it belongs, outside. The well-dressed cabin combines high-quality materials with exquisite craftsmanship, immersing occupants in an ambience of luxury. The 2023 Lyriq All-Wheel Drive features the latest technological innovations, seamlessly integrated into its interior. A state-of-the-art infotainment system keeps you connected and entertained, while advanced driver assistance systems enhance safety and peace of mind. The spaciousness of the cabin allows for comfortable seating, ensuring that long journeys are enjoyed to the fullest. The 2023 Cadillac Lyriq All-Wheel Drive embodies the evolving landscape of luxury electric vehicles. With its dual-motor configuration, increased power, and refined driving experience, Cadillac has created an SUV that seamlessly combines performance with the elegance and comfort that have defined the brand for decades. While the Lyriq All-Wheel Drive may not be the fastest or sportiest electric vehicle on the market, it excels in providing a harmonious balance between power, refinement, and luxury. The smooth power delivery, serene cabin, and composed ride make every journey a delightful experience. As the automotive industry transitions to electric vehicles, the 2023 Cadillac Lyriq All-Wheel Drive stands out as a prime example of how electric power can coexist with the timeless qualities that have made Cadillac an icon. This all-electric SUV captures the essence of Cadillac's heritage while embracing the innovative future of electric mobility. Thank you for joining us on this exciting review of the 2023 Cadillac Lyriq All-Wheel Drive. Thank you for watching this video on Lyriq Media, your go-to source for all things electric from Cadillac. We hope that you found this content informative and engaging, and that it has helped to broaden your understanding of the rapidly evolving world of electric transportation. As always, we are committed to bringing you the latest news, insights, and analysis from the forefront of the EV industry. Whether you're looking for information on the latest electric car models, updates on industry trends, or tips on how to maximize your EV ownership experience, Lyriq Media is here to help. So please don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel to stay up to date on all the latest developments in the world of electric vehicles. And if you have any questions or suggestions for future content, please feel free to leave us a comment below. Thanks again for tuning in, and we look forward to seeing you in our next video.